It's too cold out here. Good heavens. I'm gonna need some gas mask on. Good, oh my God. Sup? So man, I'm out here working on my car. Come with me real quick. I done got all the pieces. I ordered it. So I done got new hub bearing. I took all the parts off, because that's the part that's broke. I got new rotor right there. Look at that rotor. Look at the old one. Ooh. I got all my tools. Put the stuff on my tools to hide them. Yeah, so I'm out here getting boogie with it. I'm trying to. This old part will not come out. I done put all the WD-40. I done tried to use vinegar and let it soak. I'm using this crowbar trying to get manly with it. And it's not working. Like nothing will get this joint off. Look at this joint. It's on my hair. Come on this side. Look at that in there. So the problem is my hub bearing broke right here at this point. So I don't have none of the grip I would usually have because the other half is broke. You usually use that half to give you enough force and enough traction, or what's the leverage to help you pull this out. But I can't because it broke off right there. So I don't have that to give me leverage. Or buy none of those tools that I pull it. Wait, that's the car comes fast. So buy none of those tools to pull it, they're not gonna work. So I'm out here trying to beat it, hit it right here at this angle. Now I can get that right, back up. So I'm out here doing this. I spend like an hour or two every day. Nope. 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 Yeah, my whole core, my muscles, my body, everything is going crazy. I'm getting all type of muscles I didn't even know I had. Like being in the truck and driving for the past 4 years. Oh my God, I'm waking up so much stuff. I feel like I'm not getting nowhere. So, come with me. Let me show you something. All of the other, how you say that? Exhausted. After you exhausted all the other ways to try to get that hub bearing off, this is one of the other ways to go for the last resort. It's one last resort that I don't even think I can do without other power tools. But my options are short because my hub bearing broke off, and I was driving on one wheel and scraping down about a half a mile or a mile from my house. I had to get that truck back home. So I'm gonna try to get this. Now the only thing is I have no idea how to set this up or what I'm doing or if it's safe or not, but I figured using the heat torch will help me. So let's get this set up now because I have no idea. So I just had this idea like what, and then I can always use it for later, you know, purposes down in the future in line. So it's a good investment to have in the house. So let's see. And they tried to get me too, because I saw one, it was just a can sitting there and it was a nozzle sitting there. The can said $5 or something and the nozzle said $28 or something. I'm like, what? I didn't bring enough money for that. I only brought specifically enough for what I saw online. And then a little bit down the ways, I saw the kits where they come together for less than that. I'm like, what was the point of trying to get over on us? Like, you gotta pay attention when you're in the grocery store. They be trying to get over. If you don't pay attention and you get caught buying something separately, and oh my God, they could charge an extra couple dollars for each separate cart. What's this? We got the, I know about this. I got some plumbing cousins and family who do housework. I've seen this before. I don't need this right now. Yeah, I can use that for later. I have plastic pipes. I don't even use them. Okay, so this right here, I don't even know what to do. Like, do I just screw it on? I think I'll just screw it on. Let me read the instructions. Okay, I found it. It says, open valve fully by turning adjustment knob counterclockwise until it stops. Do not force. Always fully open valve when lighting to prevent damage to ignition system. If that's this homie right here. Oh, that's like, so the spark, I thought I was going to, I'm thinking about my welding days. I thought I was going to have a little spark or something. Oh, it's already like a lighter. It's built onto it. Okay, that's OG. Modern technology, huh? Never look into the burner. What would you look into? Why would you look into the burner? stupid. I didn't even never look into the burner tool or point in the unsafe direction. What? Pointed at the stove? What? Pointed at your feet? Why would you do what? Like somebody had to do it for him to put this in the instructions. Point the torch in a safe direction and pull the ignition button toward you. Like a trigger, right? Repeat if necessary. After the torch lights, the igniter button may be released and the flame may be adjusted by turning the adjustment knobs. Which is this one here, I guess. Okay. Oh, off. Okay, I'm getting it. To avoid possible damage to the ignition system, do not operate the ignition button while the torch is operating. So I guess while the torch is aflame on it, don't press that button again. That makes sense. Why would you spark it? Darn me. To stop the torch, close the regulator valve by turning the adjustment knob fully clockwise until it stops. Do not force. Treat the torch as you would any fine tool or instrument. Do not drop, throw, or otherwise abuse it. That don't make sense. Like my hammer, my wrench, my vice grips, you throw those things around. Don't treat it like a tool. You should treat this better than your other tools. This is explosive. That's some bad instructions right there. That don't make sense. Radiant energy can harm your eyes. Wear glasses having an appropriate lens shade number of C29 CFR 1926.102. Like you're supposed to know what that is. You don't make glasses? That's ridiculous. Alright, let me try to start this up. I gotta take this top off, so how do I just... Oh, EOG. Okay. Yeah, I gotta keep this on film because if I blow up, lawsuit, I'm suing. So all that explosion lawsuit, I'm gonna be in a wheelchair and burnt up halfway, doing my music like, yeah, son, you better catch me on the block. I got burnt by a torch. Give me a lawsuit. It's going on crooked. I don't trust this. It's like this. That's weird. Was it supposed to do that? That felt weird. It felt like it was going on like wobbly. That's weird. I don't know. I'm kind of nervous. And my daddy, he wouldn't touch this type of shit. I heard it. He said, shh, 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 shh. I'm supposed to turn it. Wait, let me read it again. I'm sweating. Let me read it again. Okay, open knob. That's the first thing you said. I'm gonna say this. It open fully. So I'm supposed to... Yo. Let me see what. Oh! We OG. I can just turn it off. Okay. We good to go. Let's go back to the car. So I bumped into another problem while working on this car. Outside of me finally getting the torch, I noticed that my jack was too small and a pair of jack stands that came with it. I was used to the jack that I used when I had my Ford Taurus, when I had Vanessa. I don't have Vanessa no more. I got a pickup truck now. I was in the store, I saw the jack, I'm like, oh, I had the jack before. Let's copy this one. Now when the car something wrong with the car, I need to fix on the car, the jack too small. So I just bought this thing. It finally came. I ordered it in the mail. So let's do an unboxing real quick. Covered in this nice plastic. I think that's gonna help. I'm gonna press the charger. I might bust my shit open, yo. This is where the COVID sneak into America. How dare they? This is conspiracy. This is how they import beetles. Unless this came from America. That messed up the whole ignorant-minded thing. Oh wow. Dang. I don't even remember buying this. What is this? This is not what the picture looked like. This thing look huge. That goes there. Oh yeah, just in case you can. Yep. That. Oh, this is exactly why I bought this. Right there for the extender piece. This thing is so much bigger than my other one. Whoa! Oh, it's heavier too. Goodness. Some feeling that bucket. That sounds hard. That's just the box, yo. The boxes. I guess they gotta make it thick so it can hold this. Instructions for a jack dummy. Yeah, this is why I bought this. See that? My other one only was like this. And it was much smaller. So by the time I lifted the car up, my pickup truck is a huge difference. So I had to buy this one right here. It says Touring Blackjack 3-ton SUV jack, 360 rotation handle. Perfect. So it works a lot better. You have a taller vehicle like a minivan or a pickup truck or SUV. So you can get under a lower vehicle. And you can get my truck off the ground. So I need this right here. The jack I have now, the tires only come up an inch, and I gotta try to shimmy and scoot it off, shimmy and scoot it, put it back on if I got a flight or something. So I had to buy this bigger jack. It's about 5 or 6 inches extra of lift put into it with this extender piece. It's beautiful. And of course, you know, the smaller vehicles you can convert it back. So it's best to chalk up that extra $100 to have the right equipment. Because without the right equipment, it's the most safety hazards. That's not what you want.